All right, let's get our pork butt seasoned up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take off some of this fat, not all of it. Any loose pieces that might burn, just clean it up a little. You can see we got some exposed meat over here by the money muscle. Our bones over here, of course. But we're gonna trim this down just a little. We're not gonna get too crazy with it. We wanna leave a little fat. We'll be cooking fat side down since we're cooking in the drum. So this is just really thick on this other side. So we want to get rid of a bunch of this. All that's going to do is fall in the bottom of the drum. So I'm going to get rid of this a little bit. 1/4 inch, hopefully, when we're done. A little less, a little more, it'll be all right. Just backyard cook. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish trimming this fat off. We're gonna use classic yellow mustard for our binder, and then our blend of Uncle Steve's Shake that I used for pork on the ribs I did a couple weeks ago, and the family really liked the flavor. So we're gonna try that on the butt here. And if you PM me, I'll give you the exact blend of what I used. I will tell you there's original gator shake, sweet and spicier, and thick meat in this blend right here. So, all right, let me get this finished getting this trimmed up and we'll bring it back. Let's get this seasoned up. I apologize for the sun coming up over here, guys. We are out at the campground. So, cooking outdoors, you know the joys of that. All right, a little mustard on, get the sides best you can. There we go. The Uncle Steve's blend that I talked to you about. Don't be afraid to put it on a little heavy, guys. It's a thick piece of meat here. So, like I said, we will be cooking this fat side down. I pat that in a little. Ugh. Trying not to contaminate all my stuff. That's why I have a clean hand and a glove hand. All right. Best I can, but we will wash everything in between. Better safe than sorry, you know. We got enough crap going on. Ooh, just got a whiff of that thick meat in there. That heavy black pepper, I love it. I love it, I love it. Okay. Get the end. Doesn't work, pats them on by hand. You can see the bone right here. All right, let's get this spun around if I can. Yeah, everything wants to slide now. All right. All right. We're going to tent this with another piece of foil. We're going to give it about 5 minutes as the coals come up to temp. And we'll get it on the drum. We'll see you then. Okay, drum's rolling just above 250. I want to cook today 250 to 300. So butts on, fat side down, and we're running B&B hickory lump today. Threw a couple chunks of pecan in with it just for good measure. So let's get the lid down, let the drum do its job, And we'll bring it back in probably about 2 hours. We're going to check the bark and see how it's setting up and give it a spritz. We'll see you then. All right, here we are. We're a couple hours in, getting ready to spritz it. We're getting some nice color on it. Pretty happy about that. So, plain old apple juice. There we go. Spritz on, put it back to bed. Come back, check it for color. Another hour. We'll check every half hour after that. And wrap when we get the color we want. See you then. All right, who wants to look at my butt? There we go. Start to get some nice color on it. We're going to spritz it one more time. Check back in another hour. That'll be right at the 4-hour mark. And we'll go from there. All right, gang. The butt has been resting for about an hour and 20 minutes. Just warm, dry cooler. Here's what we got. Let's get it in the pan here. Let's check our bone. The bone says we are done. So, shred it a little bit here. See that smoke ring? Oh, it looks beautiful. So, we're gonna get this pulled up, mixed up, and we're gonna have it with some grilled sweet corn for supper. So, like I said earlier, you want the blend ratio, hit me up on private message. I'll get it to you. So, have a great weekend, everybody. Stay safe, behave.